Welcome to the Arc Home Designer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of interior and exterior design, bringing inspiring ideas to transform your home. Even the smallest yards can be transformed into eye-catching landscapes with the right design ideas and personal touches. With unique fence styles and inspiring garden arrangements, you can make your home's exterior feel inviting, elegant, and full of personality. Every detail matters when it comes to creating that perfect first impression. Now, let's explore the best unique fence and garden ideas to elevate your curb appeal. Choosing a fence that frames your home perfectly. Select a fence style that complements your home's architecture, whether it's modern, rustic, or classic. The fence should feel like a natural extension of your house, not just a boundary. Experiment with materials like wood, metal, or composite to create a personalized look. Mixing textures can make even the smallest yard feel more dynamic and sophisticated. Incorporate details such as decorative panels, lattice tops, or custom paint colors to make your fence stand out while enhancing the character of your home. Maximizing greenery in limited space. Use vertical gardens, trellises, or hanging planters to create a lush environment without crowding the yard. This adds height and visual interest while keeping the ground area open. Choose plants with varying heights and colors to add depth, making your yard appear larger and more vibrant. Mixing flowers, shrubs, and greenery can create a rich, layered effect. Place planters strategically near the fence to soften its look and blend it seamlessly into your garden design, giving a warm, inviting atmosphere. Adding a striking garden focal point. Select one standout feature such as a small fountain, sculpture, or statement plant. This draws the eye and gives your yard a strong visual anchor. Position the focal point so it's visible from both the street and your home's entryway, ensuring it adds charm from every angle. Surround your focal point with complementary plants and decorative stones to highlight it, turning it into a captivating centerpiece for your space. Using pathways to guide the eye. Create narrow, winding pathways with materials like stepping stones, gravel, or reclaimed wood to lead visitors naturally toward your entrance. Use borders along pathways with flowers, small hedges, or decorative edging to frame the walkway and make it more inviting. Play with contrasting textures and colors in the pathway design to create visual interest, even in a compact yard. Lighting that brings your yard to life. Install soft, warm lighting along fences, pathways, and garden beds to make your yard feel magical at night. Lighting adds both safety and style. Use solar-powered lanterns or string lights for an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution that enhances evening curb appeal. Highlight key features, like trees, focal plants, or architectural details, with spotlights, giving your front yard a polished, high-end look. And there you have it. 5 powerful ways to completely transform your small front yard into a breathtaking space that makes every passerby stop and admire. Remember, every detail you add is an opportunity to show your style and boost your home's charm. So, take these ideas, make them your own, and start creating the curb appeal you've always dreamed of. If you loved these front yard transformations, wait until you see how to create a backyard paradise with a stunning pergola and lush vines. It's the perfect inspiration for your next project. Click now and get ready to be amazed.